If you're a video editor, or thinking about becoming one, here's a name you need to know: Pinnacle Studio 26. I've been testing a bunch of editing tools lately, and honestly, this one surprised me. Pinnacle Studio 26 is like that underdog in the ring: quiet, focused, and then bam! It hits you with a knockout combo of features affordability. Let's talk power. We're not just talking cuts and color tweaks here. Pinnacle gives you multicam editing, 360 degrees video support, enhanced keyframing, motion tracking. It's the real deal. And the best part? It's a one-time purchase. No monthly subscriptions draining your wallet. You buy it once, and it's yours. Forever. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, it's cheaper, but does it actually work? Short answer, yes. Version 26 comes with a major performance boost. Rendering is faster, the interface is cleaner, and it's way more stable than older versions. Drag and drop editing, built-in tutorials, proxy editing for smoother playback, it's all baked in. And if you've ever stared at Premiere Pro like it's the cockpit of a jet plane, you'll appreciate just how intuitive Pinnacle feels. Now, it's not perfect. Some users have reported occasional crashes or bugs, especially with larger projects. But in my testing, version 26 holds up well, especially on a decent rig. What really sets it apart is value. For under $100, you get pro-level tools that would cost you hundreds on subscription platforms. Plus, if you're into photo editing too, Pinnacle bundles with Corel's Paint Pro. That's a full creative suite for the cost of one night out. So who's this for? If you're a beginner wanting to learn video editing without a steep learning curve, or a seasoned editor tired of subscription fatigue, Pinnacle Studio 26 is 100% worth a look. It's not trying to be the flashy Hollywood tool. It's built for real creators who want to get stuff done without breaking the bank. Check out the link in the description for a free trial or to grab the software. Try it out. I think you'll be surprised by how much you can do with it. No subscriptions, no fuss. Just solid editing power in your hands. That's Pinnacle Studio 26. Catch you in the next one.